one is not always immediately noticeable, but this is a time cost, and most firms don't truly forecast correctly the amount of effort that they're going to put in or have to put in to implementing a new system. So my advice here is to step through each of the shortlisted providers' project plan and get them to outline who will be involved in the project. So not your standard end users, but the people who are going to contribute to developing your forms and precedents, setting up your matter type structures, setting up your invoicing, all the accounts people that need to be involved, any decision maker along the way. Their time will need to be contributed during the project, and almost every firm underestimates the amount of contribution that they have to put in. So providers will always butt heads with clients on what they're going to do and what the firm has to do themselves. So many firms think that the provider does everything. They certainly do not. So run through a project plan, figure out how much time that you're going to have to invest. So some providers are better than others. Some run on a proper project plan. They stick to it. They let you know ahead of time any risks or situations that might occur, so you can forecast for those. But certainly do think about the project, ask how much time you're going to have to contribute, and then add some on top of that.